Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boy, hey girl, thank you so much for coming back. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome, and I hope that you stay till the end and you also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to make spaghetti and meatballs, a quick and easy meal that you can prepare. So first, you're just going to add boiling water into a pot, add some oil and some salt. Then you're going to add your spaghetti or your pasta, whatever that you're going to use, and you let it cook until soft. Over here, you see me adding meatballs onto a baking tray. I'm going to add them into the oven. If you've got an air fryer, you can use an air fryer, but I don't have it, so I'm using the oven. You just bake them for 20 minutes or up until they look like this. Next, you just remove them from the baking tray and you set them aside up until we're ready to use them. In a pan, you're going to add a little bit of oil and one diced onion, and you're going to cook until soft. After about 2 minutes, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger. This is just going to add flavor to your dish. Once that's done, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs, and you're just going to cook everything together. After adding your Italian herbs, you're going to add your Bolognese sauce. So this one I bought it from the store. I didn't make it. You can just go check at your local stores. I'm sure you'll find one that you like and that's the one that you can use. Or if you want, you can just grate some tomatoes and you can add tomatoes at this point. Just let it simmer for a minute. Basically, it's just heating the sauce up, and then you're going to add your meatballs. Just stir and mix everything together. Make sure that your meatballs are fully coated in the sauce. Then after that, you're going to add some fresh parsley, just to bring color and add more flavor to the dish. Then lastly, after that, you're going to add your cooked spaghetti you're going to add your spaghetti to the pan with the meatballs and the sauce and everything. You're just gonna mix everything together like that. Just continue mixing up until the spaghetti and the meatballs and the sauce are completely mixed. It should look something like this, guys. Can you see how delicious that looks? That's all for today, guys. If you watched the video, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.